Hello everyone, welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. And today we are again, as always, in downtown Stockholm. It is Wednesday morning and actually it's a bit warmer today, so it isn't as extremely cold as it was in the last few days. I would say it's around -5 or -4. I'm not even sure, but it feels like it. Anyway, much better for walking. It is a bit grey and boring, the weather, but yeah, maybe the sun will come later on. So today we are at the end of Vasagatan, kind of. In the city center, and we're gonna make our way in that direction, yeah, and see what the neighborhood has to offer here. So first we have Norrmalmstorget here. It's a very nice place. So especially in the summer, on the other side, let's cross first. In the summer, they usually have like bars and stuff outside, so they're kind of building them for the summer season. At Norra Latin, that's how it's called, yes, Norra Latin. And here we've got a little park. Let's have a look. Looks nice in the winter. I don't know if I told you guys before, but I have a little injury in my foot. I think I might have mentioned it in the end of the summer, where I had this pain in my left foot while walking, and it's been away for a while, but now recently it's back and it hurts quite a lot. So today I changed to running shoes to see if that makes any difference. So I've got, you know, the classic Asics running shoes to see if it helps. Master Palm. Oh, I like it. It's really well done. Well done. Sounds like I'm talking about meat. Medium rare, well done. I meant the artwork was very realistic. Oh, what's there across the street? Nomad, Swedish food and bar. Never eaten there. Oh, let's go a little bit this way. Multilingual. It is quite hard for me sometimes to speak English here on the videos and then pronouncing Swedish words. So sometimes my Swedish pronunciation sounds a bit more English because I'm mixing it in an English sentence. If that makes any sense. In general, it's quite confusing for me because I usually work with English and then at home I speak Dutch, and yeah, then to the outside world here in Sweden I speak Swedish, of course. So it's the three languages that are really confusing to me. Well, you've got a Scala Revun, theater, bar, restaurant, music. Nice. Oh, that looks like it's a pub that makes their own beer. Like a brewery. Thai restaurant. No, it's not a restaurant, it's a spa. Usually in Sweden, I don't know if you have the same in your country, but when you see the Thai flag, it's either like a massage or spa place or a restaurant. Oh, I really like this walk today because I have no plan whatsoever. Also, I'm not very familiar with these streets here, so let's have a look what we find. Actually, this is a good moment to say welcome to all my new subscribers, because lately my channel is going really well, and just in the last month or so I got like more than 2,000 new subscribers. So welcome to all those people. For those that don't know it yet, my name is Daniel, and during the pandemic I decided to start walking to Stockholm. It wasn't a serious thing in the beginning. I was inspired by some of the walking channels I saw in Japan, because in Japan walking channels is quite big. Some of them are very big with like hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and you know, a lot of people couldn't travel, and suddenly I got the idea to start walking. First I did silent walks for the first month, but then I saw this guy called Tokyo Explorer, and he's actually a Swedish guy, and he started to talk. He talked every day in his vlogs, and I thought it was really interesting. So I was like, okay, it's a little bit scary, but I'm gonna try that as well. And then I saw Action Kid from the US. He's a guy that actually shows his face as well in his walks. Like it's also about him. That I don't like too much, but yeah, his videos are really good, and he adds a lot of interesting information to his videos. So yeah, these two channels inspired me to try the same. And yeah, so here I am walking every day, talking a lot of rubbish while walking, and people seem to enjoy it. So, and then I made myself a deal. I said, okay, I'm gonna work 100 days in a row. Once I did 100 days, I was like, all right, I got the hang of it now. Let's try 1 year of walking. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm at walk 288 and trying to do 365. So welcome, and yeah, join along on this little walking journey of me around Stockholm, and sometimes other places, but mainly Stockholm. I would like to keep it 90% Stockholm always. I like the colors of the buildings here, slightly shifting in color, like different shades of like yellow, creme. Is that a color? Creme? I don't know. Cream color. Yeah, maybe. Right, let's take a right here. Onto Kungstensgatan. Kingstone Street. Oh, it's very slippery here. I have to be careful. I said it before, there's way less scooters now because of the snow and the ice, and I really can't recommend driving one of those now. Okay, where are we? Observatoriegatan. Oh, I really like this place. Flipping Burgers. Flipping Burgers is a hamburger restaurant, very nice. I think they changed the owner a while ago, because I think they actually went under, like bankrupt. So I don't know if it's still as good as it used to be, but it was always very good. Not really sure where I am. Oh, is this where I am? Yeah, it is. Oh, this is hilarious. I just walked to Odenplan. I had no idea I was here. Oh, my sense of direction is so bad. I literally thought I was in a completely different part of Stockholm. Oh, I'm hopeless. This is hilarious. I thought I was kind of circling around Central Station, and now I'm suddenly at Odenplan. Doesn't matter, I like it here also, so all good. Odenplan has a few of the best coffee places in Stockholm, so yeah, I'll probably go there after this to warm up a bit. Also give my feet some rest. I might do another walk later on today. I still have to do some work in between, because yeah, for the people that don't know this is not my job. I do work, because this is a comment I get a lot. Like, don't you work? You're walking all day. No, I'm not walking all day. Walking is like 10% of what I do. I work for myself, I have my own company, so yeah, I can kind of organize my time and my schedule as I wish, which is a big benefit, I would say. So the only thing I need is my laptop and internet, and I can work from anywhere. Oh, they have Christmas trees here on the square. Let's have a look. Whoa, I almost fell over. As usual, everyone crossing the red light. Oh, there we go. See, so almost every square in every neighborhood has loud Christmas trees for sale. If you have a very small apartment, very small Christmas tree. Smallest Christmas tree in Stockholm. Yeah, this is more like it. And then the really big ones here. I don't think these ones are for sale, I guess. Not sure. Maybe they are. Nah. It's just decoration. Oh, this is actually quite funny. Someone decorated this thing with some knitting and the mistletoe. All good. This is also quite interesting. They placed some new artwork here. There's also like a bracelet or a necklace. Not really sure, but quite cool. This wasn't here before. They placed this recently. Let's have a look. Urban jewel. Yeah, so it's a necklace of glass and steel. So in the dark it lights up. Nice. Alright, I think it's time to go into the station here at Odenplan. Thank you for watching today's video, and of course we're back tomorrow.